So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE Squad? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. I've been listening, and I've been learning. So, I got a perfect mod for the Challenger. I'm getting all new tires. You got the front coming tomorrow, but the back got here today, and they're way wider than the ones I got on now. The ones I got on now are 275. 40/20s. And here are the new wider tires. I don't know if I need a spacer or not. Maybe. Luckily I got some, but I don't think I should. But I hope y'all ready. And here they go. How y'all think? It's 315/35 ZR20s. Something like that. 500 tread wear, traction A, temperature A, not quality grades. They look real good, man. Hopefully they fit. It should fit. Let me go outside, put it next to the car real quick. I gotta check that out. If that, but like I said, 315/35 ZR20s. The front is 245 40/20s. That's the same. But I'm beefing up that rear. See how that goes. And these were, for two, it was like $281 for brand new off of eBay. Two of these, $281. So it was not a bad deal at all. So let me go ahead and go outside real quick. Put the tire over here. But yeah, like I said, 275 40/20. So most likely may need a spacer, maybe not. We'll see. I'm gonna bring them just in case whenever the front comes in. And I think the front is black. Yeah, it is. Right, no, it's something right here. 275 45/20s. Okay. So there we go. Let me grab that tire real quickie. Quick little mock up, man. Looks like it's gonna fit the rim perfectly, so it's not bad at all. Yeah, you can tell it's way wider, bro. Look at the difference. Look at the big difference. Look how bald that end is, bro. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with this decision. It wasn't high at all, though. Don't. Look at these things, man. Ooh. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Like I said, I'm putting the front and the back ones on all together. So this is just a quick video of my purchase, what I got, other stuff like that. But yeah, at least while I'm going wider, I know a couple of my friends was like, "During your car not that fast at 315." And I was like, so it's my car. I do be slipping and sliding sometimes, so I think this is a good investment. Whenever I do add more power, I already got 315s. I know they can fit. I know they look good. They're wider. It will look more aggressive. And I'm happy with it. So, like I said, Challenger's coming together good. My car, my channel, my money, my mods. It's four things I live by, boy. Alright. But other than that, there y'all go, man. Like I said, 315/35 ZR20s. Brand new. I got 20x10s in the back, 20x9s in the front. So it should fit really, really good. Alrighty. I guess Yeah, I'm probably just upload this because the front side isn't changing. It's just the back one that's changing. So I probably will go ahead and upload it. This will be the first part. The second part will be me getting them mounted. Has a thinner. Yeah, and then I gotta get more tire stickers too. Excuse me. So yeah, I think that'd be pretty good. Shouldn't be too bad. 150 has a thinner or wider wall, something like that. Outside, so we'll see, JJLEE squad. We shall see. Alrighty, remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Tell me what y'all think of my purchase. Tell me what if this was a good choice. Well, I'm gonna live with the choice because I'm gonna put them on no matter what. But let a brother know. I will catch y'all later. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and peace. Look at these mugs, y'all.